Mushroom prayed for victory by the companions and followers. Dialamp Blueheart, the messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, said, there will come a time when the groups of Muslims will wage jihad, and they will be asked whether there are any companions of the messenger of God, may God bless him and grant him peace, with you. They will say yes. Then they will win. Then there will come a time when groups of Muslims will wage jihad, and on this occasion it will be asked whether there are followers of the companions of the messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace. The answer will be yes, and they will pray for victory. After that there will come a time when groups of Muslims will wage jihad, and at that time the question will arise whether there are any elders who are the messenger of Allah. Have you been in the company of an elder among the disciples of the companions of the Prophet, Pbuh? The answer will be yes, then they will pray for victory and then they will be victorious. Orange Book Sahih al-Bukhari 3649